Canceling a supplier bill payment helps correct errors such as incorrect payment modes. It ensures accurate financial records by reversing payment entries, adjusting accounts payable, and maintaining correct liability balances. This process supports proper cash flow management and accurate financial reporting. To cancel a supplier bill payment, follow these steps. Navigate to the Procurement module and select Supplier Bills Account Payable Invoices. You will be redirected to the Supplier Bills Details window. Here, go to the View section and select Settled. This allows you to identify payments that have already been processed and finalized. You may adjust the dates as needed based on your need, then click on View to access supplier bills within a given time frame. If your list is extensive, you may use the search bar to quickly find and select the supplier bill that you desire. Then click on the View Invoice Payments button. In the subsequent window, click on the X icon at the end of the payment row. Confirm by selecting OK on the prompt that appears. This ensures accurate financial records by removing payments that shouldn't have been processed. Confirming the cancellation helps avoid accidental removals and provides clear documentation of the reversal action.